Hello, I am Certified Strength and Conditioning Coach Josh Hankin and creator of the Ultimate Sandbag Core Fitness System. Our Ultimate Sandbag has become one of the most popular fitness and performance tools in the market today because of its versatility and durability. But being new, we also want to explain a lot of the components that make up the Ultimate Sandbag and how it's unique. Firstly, a lot of people will recognize that our Ultimate Sandbag packages come with two different items. One being a filler bag and one being our Ultimate Sandbag shell. The filler bags actually fill with the sand and allow you to change easily and cleanly the weight in and out of your sandbag. The filler bag concept is pretty new to most people, so let's cover that for a moment. Generally, when you're filling a filler bag, we have two different sizes. This is our 25 to 45 pound filler. That means we can fill it with either a base of 25 pounds or up to 45 pounds. A good rule of thumb is to think about we're never going to go much more than halfway in the bag. What we want to avoid is stuffing the bag full, making it want to burst upon any type of drop or landing that you'll have in the Ultimate Sandbag. Even though our materials are the highest quality, over time you can shorten the lifespan if you create a compressive system that is not appropriate for your Ultimate Sandbag. Also, by stuffing your filler bag, what you do is you eliminate one of the key components that make sandbag training so unique, which is the fluid and live feel of the weight. So what you'll see here is I filled it about halfway full. The easiest thing to do is to get a couple of buckets, fill them up either with clay sand, sterilized sand, something that has very little gravel to eat up the material. What you'll do is you'll fill up your bag staying upright, like I have so. You'll seal the bag top, this special patent pending Velcro system, just like you would an envelope. So it seals shut, there's no bubbles in top that allow you to flatten out the Velcro, so you'll seal the sand inside. Our specially designed material here prevents any type of dust coming in or out of the sandbag. So once you're filled, you're going to squeeze all the air out. Now, once I've done that, I'm going to lay the bag upon its side. And I'm going to shake it until the bag becomes flat, like so. So you'll see, my goal is to maintain even distribution throughout the sandbag when I insert into our sandbag shells. What you want to do is over time, as you use the sandbag, sand may disperse to one side more than the other. That's fine, just every few sets or so you're going to want to shake it out. Now, obviously, you're going to see that our large fillers do not fit into our small shells. The large fillers will go into all the remaining sizes, strength, challenge, and burly sandbag packages. Your small sandbag can only hold the 10 to 20 pound filler bags. Again, you're going to use the same concept. Now with the smaller filler bags, you can go no more than 2/3 of the weight. Again, probably the best is going to be going about halfway or slightly more. You want to try to get away from the idea of having to have a certain weight in your Ultimate Sandbag. If you look throughout our blog, our website, and our YouTube channel, Sandbag Fitness, you'll see tons of exercises that what we do is we base it off upon the feel and the movement of the exercise, not just the weight of the exercise. Because the sandbag is so unique in that it shifts and moves, you have to understand that you can't base things solely upon what you did on the barbell, dumbbell, or even kettlebells. When you see your sandbag shell, ideally you're going to fill it up so that you can adjust it easily, whether it's for conditioning, strength, or power development. The more you fill your Ultimate Sandbag shell, the more compact it becomes and stiffer it becomes. Now that can be a good thing for certain exercises you're going to do, for example our shoulder press. But if you're looking to have a bag that moves more, if you're getting up to its weight capacity, you may want to invest in getting a larger sandbag. That's why we have 4 different sizes to address all your different training goals. You want to avoid stuffing the sandbag so tightly that you're going to see seams pushing out or you feel like it's going to burst. You should never have to fight very hard to get your filler bags into your Ultimate Sandbag shell. If so, you may have to look at removing some of the sand out of your filler bag. We have found over time that sand can vary not only where you buy it in the United States, but in the world overall. That's why we always recommend that you go for dry, clean sand so you can maintain some consistency in what you're getting. So when you buy an Ultimate Sandbag package, you're getting a lot more than just a sandbag. You're getting a shell that has 6 different options in gripping. You have parallel handles. You have a single strap here. Now the single strap here is meant to go no more than about 70-80 pounds. We have side handles on our small bags. Now the reason we don't have side handles on our larger sizes is that it increases the diameter of your arms too much. So if you try to go overhead or anything, you'd hurt yourself, and also because of the stress point. Our small sandbags, because of the dimensions, can handle the handles on the side. But on a larger bag, because the leverage point becomes so much greater, you could potentially tear. So on our other bags, you'll see that we have gripping flaps to enhance grip and hand strength, which is critical as well. We also have our pronated and supinated handles that allow you to do a whole bunch of exercises, and because we use a non-abrasive material, you can grab onto the bag itself, and that's where having a nice loose bag can become really handy as well. We have over 300 different exercises that you can use with your Ultimate Sandbag. So take time to review this material. Make sure that you are purchasing the sandbag right for you. If you have any questions, check out our FAQ page on HankenFitnessSystems.com. And if you still need assistance, don't feel any hesitation dropping us a line at ultimatesandbag@gmail.com.